welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. NPP vows to strengthen efforts after mixed results in council elections. Tito Starwell Khan confirms UDP will sit alone in opposition. 29 newly elected MDCs sworn in for the KHADC. And FKJGP raises concerns over Assam's road construction in Lakhi. And now the news in detail. The National People's Party, NPP, remains committed to strengthening its presence in Meghalaya despite mixed results in the recent council elections. National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed confidence in the party's ability to earn the trust of the people across the state. The NPP secured 13 seats in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, but only managed to win 4 seats out of 29 in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Conrad acknowledged the results, stating that the party respects the people's decision and would focus on improving its work at the grassroots level. He emphasized that strengthening their presence and continuing to work diligently in each constituency will be the party's priority moving forward. The NPP plans to re-evaluate strategies and ensure they better meet the needs of the people in all regions of Meghalaya.
To, of course, see that we get much larger numbers in Khasi Hills, but of course that numbers did not work out. But as I said, I've seen the overall trend that the numbers of the votes that have come into the NPP as a party and the candidates which we had put up is far more than what we had received last time, say in the MP election. So we have to introspect, we have to work harder, we have to improve overall our performances in each constituency. We will be very soon having a meeting to discuss all these issues and how to improve things. But on a more positive note, we are happy that we are forming the EC in Jaintia Hills. Again, Jaintia Hills also, in the last MP election, if you look at the trend, it was a very difficult one, and we have been able to overcome those challenges, and today, in spite of all the challenges that were there, we are able to form the EC out there. So this is a very positive news. So I'm very hopeful that in the coming months and years, similarly we will be able to improve the overall situation of the party, even in Khasi Hills. And I congratulate all the MDCs who were elected, irrespective of party, and of course to the party candidates. Of course, we will keep working and improving and strengthening the party at the grassroots level. I have always mentioned this to everybody that we don't take anybody lightly. It's not just VPP, it's not even Congress, even UDP, and other parties, all political parties. Everybody is important in politics, and you cannot write off anybody. I maintain that even now. So even if, say, a Congress party did not get any seats, you cannot just write off anybody. So that's number one. So for us, we treat everybody as a formidable opponent, and we never take things lightly. That's number one. And I've said this many times. It's not that I'm saying it just now. Number two, in fact, if you look at it, I think the peaking point was the MP election. And now if you assess the situation, in the last MP election, if you look at it, all 29 seats, in Khasi Hills, we did not manage to win in any of them. But this time, as I said, we have managed to win in a few seats. So if you look at it, I think it has overall our vote share has gone up compared to what it was 1 year back, and the vote share of other political parties, the VPP, has gone down if you compare to the last Lok Sabha election. So it depends on how you want to look at things. But as I said, at the end of the day, it's simple. We have to work harder. We have to organize ourselves better. We have to go down to the grassroots level and mobilize, and definitely, as I said, we will not stop doing that. We are very particular about grassroots, and politics is about consistency, like many things in life. So I think it's more important for us to be consistent, to be focused on development, to be focused on our marginalized sections of the society, and work towards that, and that's how we're going to move forward. See, these are narratives that are, of course, created. This is part of politics. As I said, if that was the case, then we shouldn't have won in Nongpo, we shouldn't have won in Nongshkin, we shouldn't have won in many other constituencies, we shouldn't have won in Jaintia Hills, but we did.
Tito Starwell Khan, former MDC and newly sworn-in member from Sora, confirmed that the 5 MDCs of the United Democratic Party (UDP) will sit alone in the opposition in the new Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC). Speaking to the media on February 27th, Khan stated that there had been no discussions yet with other parties such as the NPP, which holds 4 MDCs, 1 HSPDP member and 2 independents. As for the leader of the opposition, Khan noted that no consultations have been held to finalize the position at this time.
Kata kala banja kumta teng kaya ka bangi mudur kamlong mereka reality ni haban accept kaya ka baja ni haban accept dan mereka ka politics imjudan full stop dan tang koma nimla bantip kaya ka banja la syai kaya ka banja la sisni dan mereka ya ka pemerintah ni accept pembakalong ini trailang ka pemerintah ka hadinya ke council betul mai pa Hakini kisni ni kumpia ka UDP ka don bay intact la ka jong namar ba nagaliang jok ki NPP bat kiwe ke MDC menil gila ya kendo gila ya form la ka jong ka group den re yamantai ki padon ka don ka jing ya keren den re le se yo ka don ka jing ya keren hadin habut ya kata ngam patang ong den re yamantai ka mut kum ki UDP sidang don intact ka
Imbal kembali baka UDP ketam na berat di opposition. Kepencit mati ya kata
haduk mentang impat ya keren ban kalian kadongar empat kuai ban ya keren kata namar ko mga ong mene ka kam CM ro padep kam Sherman ro padep si endap shot ini ngin si keren ka LO ka de last part ha ka ba Sherman
ki kam no ka council ko basa teng ni
Pina kalian kadongai personally kadang ka bill ka ba ngila dan ka select committee ka bangi ong ka inheritance property bill kani ka bill ka ga ka select committee kana kermen ba kani ka new house ka ba long Sherman ko mai sa review ya ka select committee ka ba kumno ba ni kan yang ka bill na magade ka ba la don ko ka house kadi ka ba sala ade ka property do house samdi ka property do isi di ka property de ibabuan ni tikam ibang hapan pandap undo paniya da itu ya kani ka isi ka ba ni semata di discussion ko ba long ba tingin siapa ka ba ka long ka ba session ka ba salong ka ba ni saya tai ni trend ha ka ba ki issue ibang hapan sim ka session It's a normal situation where people are in favor of a new party, and there is also maybe the lack of concentration from the candidate, and maybe there's a combination of others party, as I have said, that they want to target one party, but they cooperate together how to target another party.
You are the largest party in the opposition, so you will be the next leader of opposition.
We will not discuss right now about the NEHU because the election of CM and the election of chairman not yet completed. So let the first part be finished, and we will not rush now for NEHU.
You will be contesting chairman post.
On February 27th, all 29 elected candidates were sworn in as full members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) for the next 5 years. The ceremony took place at the KHADC Assembly and was officiated by Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Srimati R.M. Kurba. Attended by relatives, political leaders, friends and media representatives, the event marked the beginning of the new term for the members. The elected members are Sostinus Sotun, Kongrona Khumdej, Ba Kunjoalang Rangtong, Ba Banrikus Nongsteng, Ba Isen Hin, Ba Bill Clinton Wankar, Ba Say Borlang Warba, Ba Kit Borlang Siem, Ba Shem Borlang Renja, Kong Grace Mary Karpuri, Ba Barikupar Sindram, Ba Alvin Kriem Saukme, Ba Titos Tarwel Khan, Kong Iban Dublin F Lingdo, Ba Ricky Shulai, Ba Winston Tony Lingdo, Kong Deity H Majau, Ba Strong Pillar Kharjana, Ba Denzel Reynard Shen, Ba Lancaster Marbanyang, Ba Sinshar Kuparoy Thaba, Ba Equator El Nongrang, Ba Powell Soklet, Ba Penkrau Borlin Kharjarin, Ba Pius Marwen, Ba Jirisman Yau Pnyau, Ba Lurshai Kharbani and Ba Srali Rashir.
36, dated 25 February 2025. The Governor has fixed today, the 27th February 2025, as the first meeting of the reconstituted District Council for the administration of an oath or affirmation to the newly elected members as required under Rule 24 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution of the District Council Rules 1951 as amended. Before administering the oath, I would like to offer my congratulations to all the newly elected members of this august house, and also to impress upon each one of you that this is a very important and auspicious occasion where you are going to take a pledge to serve the people and to faithfully discharge duties upon which you are about to enter, with true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India. Now, the Secretary of the District Council will call over the name of the members. One. I,
having been elected as member of the Khasinews Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Lancaster Morgan, have been elected as a member of the Khasinews District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Aku ay maskul sayang kasih siapa para di luar negara.
I, having been elected as member of the Khasinews Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
On February 27th, the Federation of Khasi, Jantia and Garo People, FKJGP, Re-Mulyang Circle, met with the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills, Shri Garrett Ellis and Dykes, to raise concerns about the ongoing construction of a road in the Langpi area. The road being built by Assam from Kompaduli to Langpi has sparked tensions due to its proximity to the border between Meghalaya and Assam. FKJGP leaders sought clarification from the DC on whether the Assam government had informed Meghalaya authorities about the status quo on the matter. They also questioned if Assam's development projects in Langpi could impact the ongoing border discussions between the two states. The FKJGP President Ser Bilin Lingdo strongly opposed any unilateral actions by Assam without the consent of Meghalaya, especially during the ongoing border settlement process, stressing that many Khasi and Garo villages on the other side of the road do not want to be part of Assam.
Jungkari Milian Circle, kita kesini. Lawan mana kendu UDC, nak kita kajing kajungi yang jing pentre jungka surka Assam ya ka surok kabakiu nak Khubordjylla Indonesia Thailand pi jungi kabakate jaka kade ka jaka kadang don nak kajing ya penpekput kajing kajaput kajing kuat jungi bangin ya kendu UDC yang kesini kalong bangin yok jing pensai amar kadon ka status quo nak mencua ba kino ki jing pentre la kade nak Assam panen Meghalaya jadi bandon ke dia tiplang ki arlen sarkar kena kalian jong disiu la pensai ba kila don ke dia tiplang na kalian juga sarkar Meghalaya bat tunduk na kalian sarkar Assam ya kena ke jing pentre kena ka surok na persai ru susu ha gede bat ki jing pentre ki development se kete thai ba na kalian ka sarkar Meghalaya ru ka tre pun ki skim sam jadi longyang kita Thai, kita kalian ke surka Assam ru kalian bentuk dia, nak kalian jong ni ka surka Meghalaya ru, pensai ba, jing don kono jing bentuk dia ki jing pentre ki skim ki bawan, kamtam ki central skim bawan dengan bagi surka Jela. Tai dei ba isi jong ni la pensai, kita kalian jong ni la, friend harga beda berkenamat ba. Ikam bordan la kumno kim dai ban don ka jing ya tengku bat kini ki kam penroy kam jing ya penbekput kemudian kami Meghalaya bersam kumbangi don ka jing nut kata ban penbekno dan ini ki development kim dai ban kata ya ketika mat ni ya penbekput kata ka dai ka jing kwa ju apa ya keren buat UDC kini bersih.
On February 27, 2025, the 29 newly elected members of the District Council MDCs of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council were sworn in for a 5-year term. The ceremony took place at the West Jaintia Hills District and was presided over by Deputy Commissioner Abhinav Kumar Singh. The newly sworn in MDCs include Ba Medling M. Swear, Ba Jamshaprang Potam, Ba Head Potmi, Ba Madan Bai Rambai, Ba Hei Maya Lamare, Ba Jesse Suyam, Ba Reforming Son Lamare, Ba Thombor Shiwat, Konglaya Wan Lam Jing Hun Kriam, Ba Penchua Nanglen, Ba Deimi Liam, Ba Ibor Lang Shadap, Ba Rikut Pareng, Ba Workmanship Shadap, Ba Bishanroy Yano, Ba Mitningkong Sutanga, Ba Dresentus Susngi, Ba Auhai Andrew Shulai, Ba Moonlight Paryat, Ba Soki Lapasam, Ba Laski Rembai, Ba Waila Damishwa Siangshai, Kong Violet Lingdo, Ba Seborlang Shadap, Ba Humbertus Nongtudu, Ba Kristen Langstang, Ba Lal Williama Taite, Kong Dewi Paya Tongper, and Dr. Sanki Shangpong.
The meeting specified a qualification also be presided over by the chairman to be elected. Now, I would like to call upon the Secretary, District Council, to read out the names of the newly elected members representing the 29 District Council constituencies.
I, Srimati Devi Payati Tongper, having been elected from 28 Nagpur District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I,
Sri Segolang Shadap, having been elected from 24 Sultan District Council constituency as member of District Council of the JHADC Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance of the Constitution of India as by law established, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Shri Ramatu Samdu, having been elected from 25 Sultan District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the JHADC Autonomous District.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.